Have a good day. Today we're going to start another lesson and we're going to talk today about lists. So open up Python, new project, select a name for it. Alright. So we're going to talk about lists. So let's put a comment stating what we're doing. So list operates similarly to arrays. If you don't understand what arrays is right now, don't worry, we'll get to that topic soon in the course. So for a list, you could add various items towards the list, and each item that you add will be indexed. The index number that is assigned to the item that you added starts from 0. That's why I said it is similar to arrays. So let's just type a variable, words, and we're going to hold a list inside it. Use the open square brackets. Right, so we're going to type hello. It's one item. I'm going to type world as the other item, separated by commas, of course. We're just going to put exclamation mark. So now let's verify the items in our list. So I'm going to print when you want to print the first item in the list. As I said before, it starts at 0. So we'll print 0. Just copy and paste this. Alright, so I'm going to say second, third. Alright, so we're gonna right click and run. Alright, notice it printed the first one, which was the hello, second one, which is the world, and well, we had there's an exclamation as the second one. Right, so we're going to talk about how to add items to our list now. So first we'll start off with an empty list. Alright, we'll just name this list and you just need to put the square brackets. So now if I type print list, all that should be printed is just the square brackets. So I run it, right, just the square brackets are printed. So now we're going to add to the list. So you type list, which is the variable we have above, dot append, and then you assign whether it be a string or integer or double. So I'm going to assign string called plum, and let's do a print. Right click, run. Right, notice plum is printed, but as you can see, it printed with the square brackets. So if it is I did not want to print the square brackets, I would have to do like we did above and indicate 0. So now we just printed plum. So it actually looked for the index number and printed the item on the list. So let's just say we want to remove an item now from the list. Right, you'll do list dot remove, and here you could type in the exact thing, or you could type it as the array number. So just do it with the word in for now. Right, so notice when we run now, it was empty. We added the word plum, then we removed the word plum and printed it, so it came back empty. Right, let's move on to sorting a list now. So we're going to create some numbers now. Right, so we want to print numbers, so let's make sure it's working. And so it printed the list with all the numbers. And now we need to sort numbers. So here we will type numbers dot sort, and by default this will sort in ascending order from smallest to largest, right? So print numbers, right click, sorry, notice the numbers, it was mixed up a little bit. Now it's sorted in ascending order, right, goes up to 20. However, say you wanted to sort it in descending order, what you can do is type numbers.sort, and here type the word reverse and set it to true. Alright, so if there's 0 on this now, notice it was mixed up, then it was sorted in ascending order, and then we flipped it into descending order. So that's some basic of lists. There are some other functions, but I'll advise you to, as you start programming, then you will have need for it. So this should be sufficient for basic understanding.